Thank you, Creator, for all you do, all you have done, all you continue to do, and all that is to come. I love you, Creator. You know I love you. It it uh video cut off on me because I was literally hanging out the window with this phone. The rain got on the phone, the real rain. So I guess this little device couldn't handle it, or the touch screen stuff started blinking and made it, click out because the phone got wet. Yeah, roll on out of here. Stupid ass demons. They have no power in the creation. But of course they gonna try to put claim up on everything. When they do their little stupid ass thunderstorm, bro, you will see a lot of this Holy Ghost, demonic, demon, God, sucker ass cloud nonsense out here. Like you see rolling. You see all that shit right there? You see all that? You will see that. And most of the time when you see that, it'll try to thunderstorm, it'll try to rain real hard. You know what I'm saying? This is a light rain. Creator's not doing anything to put fear in anyone. You know, when it does this is letting these idiots in the creation know that they need to stop doing what the fuck they are doing against the life in creation, or else, you know. But they just don't get it, you know. They just don't get it. You know. It's not that they don't get it, they don't care. They want to try to get as many people as they can trapped and sealed up under the demonic demon God covenant as they can. So they continue to do the nonsense that they doing. Yeah. See, it wasn't none of this stuff, it wasn't none of this smoke demon stuff out here, right? But I knew they was getting ready to try to roll that shit out. No, I already asked Creator. Yeah, roll that shit. You see this shit just rolling straight up out of here. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out. Let's see how much video's on here. Do 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 do. Get everything that they supposed to get. I want them to have everything that the demons promised. Yeah, we got the winds coming through now. That's to blow his smoke demon shit up out of here. Because they're not supposed to be here. They're not supposed to be in the creation. Doing this shit. These people, these serving demons that know about that shit, trapping people, and then conjuring them up out of the darkness for this shit. They gonna pay for that shit, bro. They gonna pay for that shit. Because it is the misusing of eternal energy. You know, they gonna pay for that. You thought that was special? Tricking and trapping people, and then you using their eternal energy after you done stole their life out of the creation? And you using their eternal energy for stupid, dark, demonic purposes and shit? Because y'all done trapped them. Y'all gonna pay for that. Yeah, y'all gonna pay for everything y'all did. Thank you, Creator, for getting this big, thick, demonic God demon from over the top of me. Because that nigga's huge, bro. Look at him. He's huge, bro. You see it? And he go far. See the darkness? It's a demon, bro. It's one of their God demons, bro. Them niggas was huge, bro. I know they always try to bring that shit and settle it right over me. Just like every time I clear the skies out, they always come straight through here and start spraying and flying the airplane people with their little bird devices. You know, all this crap that they be doing to try to keep my section covered up, bro. I be sick of it. I be sick of it. I be sick of it, bro. For real. Look, and it didn't even start doing this until I got back up in the window. You know. Because I laid down for a little second. And then when I got up, I got in this window, and then it started sprinkling and stuff. All that look. It look like, don't they? I told y'all, man, they look like filthy bath water, don't it? That's the scum of the creation right there, bro. That's the scum of the creation right there, bro. You filthy, stupid ass God demons gotta get the fuck up out of here. I ain't with that shit. I already asked Creator. After I called out on Creator, Creator started showing me the truth. And I got settled and was firm. Know that Creator of all of existence is the truth. The next thing I asked Creator was, Creator, please don't let me be in the dark. Think Creator's gonna allow me to be in the dark? Y'all keep on playing. Y'all keep on doing that shit. Y'all gonna pay for that. Believe that. You motherfuckers is gonna pay for that shit. Yeah, but you talk about pissed off. I'm beyond pissed. I'm way beyond mad. I'm way beyond that. Yeah. Thank you, Creator, for all you do, all you have done, all you continue to do, and all that is to come. I love you, Creator. You know I love you. See all that filthy shit. And Holy Ghost, bro. Demonic demons, bro. Y'all don't, I mean, y'all think it's class because y'all ain't there, y'all don't know. Y'all not in the truth yet. But you know, once you under Creator and then you see a shit try to come around you and settle over you and all that shit with that nonsense, all you gotta do is call out to Creator and start focusing your energy and your mind and your thoughts on clearing that shit up out of here. Because as long as you don't accept it, that shit cannot be in this area. And if they got a lot of motherfuckers in your area just around you conjuring up demons to try to get this shit to settle over you, to try to get their God to settle over you, just call out to Creator. Like, they making it to where they trying to block out my focus, my energy, Creator. Creator's gonna get that shit up out of there, bro. Creator's gonna get that shit up out of there, bro. You see how it's clear over and shit? You see the Holy Ghost demons right there? They gotta roll the fuck out. I love this real rain that comes from Creator. I'll be sticking my hands out there and stuff. And I wipe it on my face there. Cause all that give you energy, bro. The real rains and all that. All that give you energy, bro. y'all people, y'all tripping, bro. All this give you energy, bro. I love it. Everything that comes from Creator is meant for the life in creation. I love it, bro. And I want it all. I want it all. All, bro. All of it. I want it all. They keep on playing games and shit. Feel like, y'all can't feel it. But Creator make the ground shake, bruh. Make the ground shake, nigga. And y'all keep playing with that stupid ass shit. And the wind's coming through and everything, bruh. It's going down. We gonna see who is the clowns. Yeah, you had me lost in the matrix. Creator found me. Never left. He was always there. Now I know the truth. The demons saying this. That's not fair. That's what these demon serving suckers is in the house doing too. Oh man, that's not fair. Yeah, buddy. Cracking. See, this is a light rain, bro. Ain't no smoke demons up there. Ain't no smoke demons up there. They try to roll that shit over in my area. They're like, man, y'all better stop playing with that one right there. He done gave up his second appointed place to wipe you motherfuckers out. Y'all gonna keep trying this bullshit? Yeah, keep on playing. Keep on playing. Thank you, Creator. I love you. Let me give me some of this water right quick, bro. Ah, yeah, give me some of that real rainwater, bro. It's beautiful, bro. Everything created is human creation, bro. It gives us energy, bro. All of it. Show you what my hair look like real quick. Cause I get out in the rainwater. I don't know if y'all got to see it, but